I think I've got a rodent over my head in the insulation. It's either a rodent or a snake. The reason why I'm back here, I'm towards the garage, took some moisture readings. Do you hear that? There's something over the insulation. Plus it's bulged right there. I wonder if it's a snake. Anyway, reason why I'm back here is I was testing some moisture back here. I saw some evidence of standing water that had come, looks like from that wall. There looks like there's some wet cinder block efflorescence over there. Didn't really see it anywhere else. Could be from that drain. I know it's kind of hard for me to turn my head so you guys can see me. It could have come out of there and flooded this with mud and stuff, or maybe this is super old and you don't have any water issues, but I know you've already seen this part because of the dryer vent, but I just didn't know if this was recent or long time ago. Anyway, what I wanted to show you was I took some moisture readings, and want to get you, see it's like 19%. I know it's hard for you to see with the light. Now it's at 20%. So the wood, oh yeah, there's something heavy on that. I bet it's a snake. The wood moisture level is pretty high. So it'd probably be a good idea to put in a dehumidification system when you encapsulate. Don't really see a whole lot. The crawl space is really nice. Obviously the vapor barrier is distraught. Be a good idea to put a new one. Got a lot of dust down here too, typically. I don't see, I'm not been all the way through the crawl space yet. Don't see a whole lot of evidence of mold or anything like that so far, but keep in mind I can't look above the insulation. So as long as the wood moisture is high though, and 20% is high enough to grow fungus, so you want to keep an eye on that sort of thing. That was a mouse. He hit the insulation a few times and he went out the dryer vent hole that punches through the foundation. So little field mouse. Looks like scat, droppings, different things like that up in the insulation. And also we got a pretty good size snake skin here. I've seen a few snake skins throughout the crawl space, chasing these mice and getting some food. This is one reason why we don't like fiberglass or any kind of insulation between the floor joists, because it is a freeway system for mice and snakes to travel. So, oh, you got a little bit of mold. See the, I don't know if you can see the white up there on the joist. A little bit of fungus getting started on that joist there because the moisture level of the wood is high. If you wanted the mold treated, we'd have to remove all this insulation anyway to treat the mold properly, and then we could insulate the walls of the foundation, and so you wouldn't have this highway system overhead for animals to travel, and the insulation on the wall would be sufficient. Insulation fell over here, which could be from a pest or a animal, but since it was exposing the ductwork, I don't know if this is easy to see or not, but around these metal boots, they condensate a lot in the summer because of the AC and the warmth and humidity of the crawl space. So they tend to grow mold around them. See this black here and here. And if this is hardwood, that will leach up above. I'm towards the back of the house now. Leach up above and can even start to cup the wood. So there's a little bit of dark there too. So it was, maybe this was pulled down by a person, but it looked like there was evidence of moisture in this insulation. So this has been condensating. These are some of the things you can't see because of the insulation as well.